Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something very important for learning English. Listening. Listening is a key skill that helps you understand and speak English better. Let's explore why listening is so important and how you can improve your listening skills. Why is listening important? Listening is very important when learning English. Here's why. 1. It helps you understand how English sounds. You hear how words are pronounced. You learn the rhythm and melody of English. 2. It improves your speaking. The more you listen, the better you can speak. You learn how to say words and sentences correctly. 3. It helps you learn new words. You hear new words being used in real situations. You understand how to use words in sentences. 4. It makes communication easier. Good listening helps you understand what others say. It makes conversations smoother and more enjoyable. 5. It helps with other English skills. Listening helps with reading, writing, and speaking. It's connected to all parts of language learning. Types of listening in English. There are different types of listening you can practice. 1. Casual listening. Listening to English songs, movies, or TV shows. This is fun and helps you get used to how English sounds. 2. Focused listening. Listening to learn specific information. For example, listening to the weather forecast to know if it will rain. 3. Interactive listening. Listening during a conversation. You need to understand and respond to what you hear. 4. Critical listening. Listening to form an opinion or make a decision. For example, listening to different product reviews before buying something. All these types of listening are important and help you in different ways. How to improve your listening skills. Now, let's look at some ways you can get better at listening in English. 1. Listen regularly. Try to listen to English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Make it a habit like brushing your teeth. 2. Start with easy material. Begin with simple English songs or short videos. As you improve, you can try more difficult things. 3. Use English subtitles. When watching videos, turn on English subtitles. This helps you connect the sounds you hear with written words. 4. Listen to different accents. Try listening to people from different English-speaking countries. This helps you understand different ways of speaking English. 5. Focus on the main idea. Don't try to understand every word at first. Try to get the general meaning of what you're hearing. 6. Repeat what you hear. Try to say the words and sentences you hear out loud. This helps you practice pronunciation and speaking. 7. Take notes. Write down new words or phrases you hear. You can look them up later to learn more. 8. Use listening resources for English learners. There are many websites and apps with listening exercises for your level. These often come with questions to check your understanding. This video has 3 parts, and we'll continue discussing more tips on how to improve your listening skills in the next parts. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining this lesson with English Mini Classroom. Keep up the great work with your listening practice. You're doing fantastic. See you in the next lesson.